In this video, I will show you how to easily set up your first calendar booking page. From the left menu, click Create Booking Page. Then click Proceed to set up. Enter what your booking page should be called. And choose whether the booking should be carried out physically or digitally. If you choose physically, you also add a place for your service. Then select Regular Booking if you are going to set up a normal booking calendar. Enter contact information. This information will be visible on your booking page and in the order confirmation the customer receives. If you want the booking to cost money, you must also fill in information about which card number you want to receive your income to. Feel free to upload a banner image to your booking page and give a description of the booking under the description field. Proceed to the next step by clicking Save and Continue. You now arrive at dates and times. Here you define your availability for your booking page and how long your booking page should be visible. Start by choosing session duration either from predefined times or select a custom duration. Then enter when you will start receiving bookings and when the page will be closed under date range. Below, you choose when it should be possible to book within the time frame you set. For example, you can choose to receive bookings Monday to Friday between 10 o'clock and 15 o'clock. In the next step, you set up the registration form for your booking page. This is the form your bookers will fill in when they complete a booking. If you chose that the page should cost money, you can also choose to specify VAT before proceeding to price categories. Here you set up one or more categories with different prices. This can be various services or objects that a customer chooses between. For example, you can set up a category for startup meeting at £90 per hour. Then you can adjust what the title should be and enter the price. If you use Outlook, you can also connect your calendar to your booking page to get upcoming bookings automatically added to your calendar. The integration will also block out events that meet from your booking page, so you don't have to manually adjust your availability if you get other appointments. Questions. Here you enter the information you need from your customers. You will find some predefined questions that you can choose to include or deactivate. You can change the name of these questions, but you should not change so much that the question loses its original meaning. You can, for example, change the name of the price category field to select your booking, as this field collects your categories. If you want to add a new information field, click Add New Field. When you have completed your registration form, click Save and Continue. You will now reach the settings for the booking page. The predefined settings are standard choices that may be relevant to include. Feel free to read our user guide to get an explanation of each setting. In this video, we only go through a selected few. Set the maximum number of bookings that can be made per time slot. This defines how many people can book a time slot at a time. A session can be booked X number of days and hours before a booking starts. If you need time to plan before a booking, it can be useful to enter a restriction such as a day before or a few hours before to keep control over the calendar. If you want to personalize the order confirmation a customer receives, you can choose to add a text before or after the order summary. If you want to be able to easily add the appointment to your calendar, then click Show in Calendar. The booker then receives a shortcut in the order confirmation. When you are satisfied, click Publish. Here you will see a receipt page containing the link to your booking page. Feel free to look over the booking page to see what the form looks like. We recommend opening the link in incognito mode. Then you will see how your customers will see your site. You can go back in the setup at any time to make changes.